Using the 11 irregular Irish verbs, I'm going to show you how to ask and answer a question now in the past tense. So here's how it's going to work. You'll see a graphic like this. Then on top you'll see the root of the verb. In the middle you'll see the start of the question and the two potential answers in the affirmative and in the negative. Then down below you're going to have a list of the potential prepositions. May, to, she, she, shing, shiv and sheed. These are great tools for building sentences. They mean me, you, him, her, we, you, as in more than one person, a group that is, and they. So let's stick with this verb here, the Irish verb be, which is to be. So the potential question that you could ask in the past tense is on rev. On rev, were you? And the two potential answers then, vi or ni rev. That would be to say that you were or you were not, past tense. And then you would add in the prepositions then. So that's the Irish verb be, which is to be. Let's move on then to the Irish verb beir. Beir is used to say that you caught something, or it can be to take, or it could also be to bear, as in to be born as well. So the question you could ask is rug, rug, and then the potential answers rug or near rug, rug or near rug, and then you would add in the prepositions that suit the sentence. Remember, this is all in the past tense. Let's move on to the Irish verb Téigh. So Téigh is to go, Téigh. And the question you could ask, an neachig, did you go? The two potential answers then in the affirmative, chuig, or in the negative, neachig, chuig, neachig, and then add the prepositions. Our next irregular Irish verb is feic. So feic is to see, feic. The question, an bhaca, did you see, an bhaca? Chonnig or neacha, chonnig or neacha, I saw or I didn't see. Clois is the Irish verb to hear, clois. Chula, did you hear, chula. Chula, near chula, I heard, I didn't hear. Chula, near chula. Faigh is the Irish verb to get, Faigh. An bhór, did you get, an bhór. For, ní bhór are the two potential answers. For, ní bhór. Tour is our next one. Tour is the Irish verb to give, tour. The question you could ask, hug, hug, did you get or did you receive, hug. Hug, near hug is the beginning of the two potential answers. Hug, near hug. Our next one is obair. Obair is the Irish verb to say, obair. An nuairt, did you say, an nuairt. Dúirt, ní dúirt are the potential answers. Dúirt and ní dúirt. I is the Irish verb to eat, I. I, did you eat, I. Di or near I, they're the two potential answers. Di or near I ate and I didn't eat. Tar is our next Irish verb, tar, and that means to come, tar. Tháinig, did you come, tháinig. Tháinig and near tháinig are the two potential answers. I came or I didn't come. Tháinig and near tháinig. Our next irregular Irish verb is déan. Déan means to make or to do. The question that could be asked, an nearna, did you make, an nearna. Rinne or ní dhearna is how you would answer that question in the past tense. Rinne or ní dhearna. I'm sure you've noticed there that there's two ways to ask a question in the examples that I've just discussed here. on and So for example, on rev, did you, or rug, did you catch? So it could be confusing to know how to answer that question in the negative, because it could be ní or it could be near if you're answering in the negative. So I have an easy way to help you remember that potential problem. If the question starts with on and you're looking for an answer, think of it this way. On is going to be answered in the negative with ní. So on equals ní. And the easy way to remember that is think of someone like, for example, a child sitting on your knee. On the knee, or on your knee. So that could be a nice way of kind of relating those two and avoiding any confusion. Then, so as I said, rug, for example, well, the answer there is going to be near if the question begins with and you want to answer in the negative, It's just a case of matching the ors. There's an or in and there's also an or in near. So if you match the ors, you'll find the answer. Now, before you rush off and make your escape, I want to direct you to another great video to do with verbs, which could be very useful now having just watched this video on irregular verbs. The video is 15 of the best, most useful verbs in the Irish language. You'll see a little preview coming up on screen. If not, I leave a link in the description and in the first pinned comment. So check that out if you can, please. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you soon. Slán go fóill.